It's 2026. If you're still opening a textbook to learn English, you are working too hard for too little results. The biggest mistake students are making this year is trying to memorize grammar. Instead of building a system, today I'm giving you the exact 30-day roadmap to transform from a student into a speaker using the same AI tools I use with my private students. So let's get into it. First, the problem. Most of you have been learning English for years. You know the rules of the passive voice, but when a native speaker talks to you, your brain freezes. Why? Because your brain treats English like a subject, a school subject, not a survival tool. In 2026, fluency isn't about being perfect, it's about being fast. Step one is building your English second brain. The tool, or use AI like Gemini or ChatGPT. The action, don't just ask it to translate. Any translation tool can do that for you, right? Rather, ask it to role play a job interview in London or Cape Town, or correct my email, but explain the grammar mistakes like I'm a friend. Then we have micro practice. Yes, spend just 15 minutes a day talking to the AI. What will this do? Well, it builds the muscle memory that textbooks, they just can't give you that, can they? Let's look at a 2026 trend, contextual grammar. Instead of studying used to in a vacuum, I want you to look at how it's used in modern travel blogs or news. I used to think English was hard, but now I am used to the process. Notice the difference? One is a past habit, one is a current state. This is what we call real world English. If you want my free 2026 fluency checklist, please comment the word roadmap below and I'll send it to you. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe icon for more modern English tips. I'm Norman and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.